Trump has taken yet another U-turn. Tariffs on China this time. The US president, who imposed a 245% tariff on Chinese goods, has now signaled a potential U-turn on his trade war amid market volatility. He said that high tariffs on China will quote-unquote come down significantly but won't be zero. Trump made those remarks at the White House event on April 22nd, which is also when the stock markets saw an uptick. His statement comes weeks after China retaliated to US tariffs and imposed a 145% tariff on US goods. This also came after US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent said that high tariff rates between US and China had effectively embargoed trade between the world's largest economies. He said that the trade war with China is unsustainable and he expected that battle will de-escalate in the near future, as per reports. Now, after this, China's foreign ministry said that US should stop its threats and coercion and engage with China on basis of equality, mutual respect and reciprocity if it wants to make a deal. Spokesperson of the ministry said that, claiming that he wants to reach an agreement with China while constantly applying pressure is not the right way to deal with China and it simply won't work. Trump's shift in tone has gone viral on Chinese internet and the hashtag Trump chickened out was trending as top topic on Weibo, racking up more than 150 million views. So far, the two economies have slapped record high tariffs on each other. The fight has been escalating and has roiled the global economy and the markets, disrupted supply chains and stoked recession fears. IMF has cut GDP forecast for the world by 0.5% for this year, and for China the forecast is down to 4% from 4.6% earlier, and for US the GDP growth is now projected at 1.8% from 2.7% earlier. IMF noted that the tariffs will be impacting Asian and European countries too, along with US and China. Now, the tariffs will impact both sides, but US might face the heat more than China, with the biggest companies relying on Chinese parts and manufacturing from Nvidia to Apple. While Chinese exporters are in distress and are trying to crack a deal with other countries providing huge discounts, which could lead to potential dumping of cheap Chinese products in other countries. Trump has repeatedly said that he will be very nice and that Chinese President Xi Jinping is a smart person. He also said that the ball is in China's court and all depends on when they will call to make a deal with the US. But well, if both sides are waiting for the call, who will call?
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.